Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Steps tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to add page borders in Microsoft Word. Page borders are a simple way to make your documents look more professional or creative, whether you're working on assignments, invitations, or reports. First, open your Word document. Go to the Design tab at the top, and on the right-hand side, you'll see the Page Borders option. Click on it, and a Borders and Shading window will appear. From here, go to the Page Border tab. You can choose the style of border you want, a simple line, a box, a shadow, or even a 3D effect. You can also customize the color, line style, and width to match your document. If you want something more decorative, click on the Art drop-down. Word includes fun designs like trees, stars, and more, great for creative projects or school assignments. Next, you can decide whether to apply the border to the whole document, the first page only, or specific sections. Once you've made your choices, click OK, and the border will instantly appear around your page. If you ever want to remove the border, simply go back to Page Borders, choose None, and click OK. And that's it. You've now learned how to add and customize page borders in Microsoft Word. It's a quick and easy way to make your work stand out. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides.